World. We are making coffee, and I'm surprisingly not hungover. Sort of hungover. This guy's dead. And I'm wearing sparkles that I have put on my eyes. It's a brand called Tom Ford, and I don't know it, but it's really pretty. Making coffee now.
綺麗に落ちない、これが。
頑張って。
ほら。
ああ。
こうなっちゃうんだよね。
ああ、そういうことね。だから細いさ、あれがないとダメだね。
This girl's a genius. She poured the hard to pour thing into the easy to pour thing, and now we have coffee. Gonna attempt the emos again and make some breakfast now. I'm too impatient for yaki emo. Only this part's done. Okay, boyfriend recommended these, they're like ice rocks, and it's grapefruit flavored, and they're really golden and they're really crunchy. These are good. Okay, it's time for round, oh, there's a string blowing. I have my waterproof phone case. Round 2 of ocean! Yay! Ocean, ocean, ocean. Oh, it's hot sounds. Oh. Ready? Okay, so we are gonna go get some food now, and then we're gonna do onsen, then we're gonna come back here, and we're gonna beat a watermelon with a stick, and then I don't know what we're gonna do. Okay, looks like we're eating here now. Oh, never mind. I guess they're sold out. Okay. Okay, we're struggling finding food. Apparently this place, they're sold out of their food, so I guess on to the next plan, which has not happened yet. Okay, now we're gonna try this place. Maybe. We've tried like a bunch of places, and I guess this is like restaurants closing rest whatever time between lunch and dinner, I guess. Okay, so there's these candies that like help replace electrolytes when you sweat and you're hot and dehydrated. These are cool. Okay, here's the onsen we're going to now. Wait. Okay, time to give you guys an update. So we tried a bunch of restaurants, and a lot of them were like closed in their like break between lunch and dinner and stuff. So we ended up giving up, and then some people went to the Konbini to get food, and Adam just tripped and fell on his thing. Anyway, so then we went to the onsen, and then I forget what we did, but we're all sunburnt except for boyfriend. He's not there. And now we're putting on aloe, and now we're gonna, and then we're gonna hit watermelon with a stick, and then we're gonna start barbecuing. Oh, and we went to the grocery store and got stuff. And then we're gonna start barbecuing and grilling and eating and drinking. Yay!
Yes.
Okay.
Alright, Gretchen, turn around. 10 times is a lot.
Yeah.
5?
You sure? Oh,
Let's do 5.
Here,
5?
ready?
Okay.
Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay.
Okay, straight. Go straight. Go straight. Turn left. Left. Face left.
No, face.
Left.
Go straight.
Straight.
Stop.
Stop.
Hit it.
Go a little left. A little bit left.
Little bit.
Turn left. Not walk. Yeah, don't. There, a little bit right.
Yeah.
That's it. Now raise your stick.
Can I try to like feel for it?
No.
Okay.
And you have no a little bit. Pivot left. Left.
Little bit left.
Yeah. Now, your grip is. Maybe grip it from the end of this. Yeah, there
Yes,
you go.
yes, yes. Good,
And,
good, good, good.
We can help her with the grip, right?
Uh-huh.
Your stick is a little bit slanted. It's okay. There you go.
Okay, do it.
And up. And go! Oh!
Ah. You missed?
I missed?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ah.
Can I?
Oh.
Well, I guess it wasn't a good stick. Okay, who's next?
I'll go get another stick. Ich.
Nee. She's already dizzy.
Oi.
Okay. Ah!
Brakes
Why? No, stop. Okay, turn left. Left. Your other left. Left. Okay, stop.
There you go.
Walk straight. Stop. Take one step to the left. Okay, turn to the left. Turn.
Yep,
Yes,
there you go.
stop.
There it is.
Oh,
Yep.
yes.
Yes.
Now take one step forward. Okay, turn left.
Turn left. There it is.
Turn a little more left.
Little left.
A slight more left. Okay, stop.
Okay.
Yes. Hit it. Yes.
Ooh.
Go.
Turn around 4 times. Ready, go.
4 times.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay.
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 Okay, left. Turn left. Turn left. Turn left. Turn left. Turn left. Keep going. Turn left. Turn left. Good. No, left.
Turn left.
Turn left. Good.
Okay.
Straight.
Straight.
Straight. And stop. Turn left. Turn left. Stop. Straight. Stop. Turn left. Stop. Perfect, I think. Okay. Yes.
Trust the stick.
Uh,
Maybe. Okay.
no, go back. One step
Yeah,
back.
yeah.
Back. Stop. And make a clean up and down kick. Perfect up, down. You got it.
Ah! Okay.
Should we put him into the ocean?
Yeah, 10.
Going?
Keep going.
Okay, turn around 10 times?
10 times.
No, he's gonna get sick. 2. Okay, that's 1.
No, it had to be 2, right?
2. And okay. 3. Okay, and stop.
Okay.
Okay.
I feel like I'm backwards now.
You are.
Oh.
Whoa.
Oh.
He doesn't even need directions.
I can tell from your voice.
All right.
He's gonna be the one to break it.
Go straight. Keep going.
Oh.
Stop.
Oh. And
Go a little
turn
right.
right. A little bit.
A little bit more right. And a little bit more right.
Oh.
You got it. But make sure it's an overhead.
I'm gonna back up.
Right.
Uh-huh.
Go for it.
Yeah.
No.
Up to you? It's up to you, okay.
I feel it. He has the energy. 本当だ。 Guys, you are in zone.
Okay.
Okay. And yeah, hold your stick. And
Okay.
Okay.
okay, turn right. Turn right. Go straight. Go straight.
He knows.
Oh, yeah, okay, you know. Okay, turn right. Turn right. Turn right. Turn right. Turn right.
Oh,
Yes.
a little right, a little more right. Okay, now straight.
Straight.
Walk straight. Keep going, keep going.
Keep going.
A little bit
Ooh,
right.
ooh,
Okay,
ooh.
stop a little bit right. A little bit further. Walk straight a little bit.
Good. Good.
Okay, okay. Maybe just, hold on, maybe just
Back up one step.
like an inch or two left.
Mm.
That was more than an inch. Yeah. No?
Okay.
Oh!
Oh. Okay. Yeah, looks good.
Are you sure not back one step? Oh, no. Okay, good.
Good.
Yeah.
Do it. Oh. Oh!
Yay!
Awesome.
Yes! Yes! Wow, he did it!
Nice.
Nice job! Woo! Melon. Yay. Okay, this melon has like a perfect curl in it. I don't know what that is, but it's really cool.
To a great camping experience. Thank you everybody for coming. Kanpai!
Kanpai! Okay. Put it in his mouth.
You know that whales have human hands without a thumb under their fins, like fully developed human hands that are covered with.
Why?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Oh my god! Happy birthday, dear Gretchen. Happy birthday to you. Let's give you one.
Okay.
Which letter is your favorite?
Q.
Do you have a favorite letter here?
A.
A. A is the first letter.
Yeah, it's very symmetrical. Okay.
Oh. じゃあちょっとこっち行くよ。
There.
Did it.
Okay.
You know, this cake is for you, but you remember what Adam said?
No, I don't say.
Yeah, I saw the cake. I didn't know it was for you. And I was like, whose cake is this? But
I do remember. I was like, oh, it's a cake.
Okay.
Oh, thank you.
で、あれはあやさん。
Oh, thank you.
It's from all of us. We thought about it and we thought, yeah, we want to celebrate Gretchen's birthday when we go camping. Yeah.
たくさん進んでるある。
あ、いい曲が流れてるよ、ベイちゃん。
ヤヒモ
Oh my gosh, this is
で
a
も
fancy thing.
中は焼き芋かもしれない。
焼き芋かもしれない
It's
な。
gonna be a small yakimo.
Really cool box. That's the whole
That's
present.
that's a cool box.
It's air.
Ooh.
Yeah, I chose this.
I am the sky.
But maybe it's gonna be melty right now because it's very hot, so I wouldn't use it.
Thank you so much. I want to hug everyone. I'm gonna hug everyone. Okay, I'm gonna hug everyone. Thank you so much. Sorry. Oh, come in. I'm gonna hug everyone. Thank you.
Yay!
Hey, thank you so much.
Jump! We have
42.
10 minutes for fireworks.
Okay.
Man.
Fireworks.
Alright.
Firework time. Firework. That's not a firework. Bugger.
Okay.
Ah, perfect timing. Ah, it's gone.
Maybe it's not a good idea.
Sometimes you have good ideas, and sometimes
Sometimes they're just
they burn.
fire.
Mine's gone. I need a new one.
Oh, God. There's no place to stand.
これでつけるといつも慣れてるから。
じゃあ、これ。Like a volcano.
Oh, it's a brighter volcano.
Wow.
Well, actually, that's really.
Careful. Is it really over?
That's what.
Aww.
That's a sad one.
It's funny because the neighbors that are still lit.
We're helping each other.
Yeah.
Aww, the neighbors are helping each other.
Happy birthday.
It's always good when your neighbors are lit.
Oh.
That was a good one.
It wasn't even.
Hey, bird.
Oh, God.